shooting?
Well, Mavish, the shooting is reportedly, it occurred around 10 o'clock in the morning, and the student, Mr. Khurram Shehzad, who was a student of final year and had been enrolled in the university since 2002. He'd been struggling since then and had in fact repeated the fourth year at least 3 times. He entered the university, he'd been re-enrolled in the university, and he entered the university, entered multiple offices in the administration wing of the university and fired at different teachers. Unfortunately, the principal, the vice principal of the university, Brigadier Sanaullah, he was shot point blank, and he died instantly on the spot. And it is quite an unfortunate incident. We received a briefing from the SSP operations as well as the principal of the university, both stating that the mental state of the student in question was in question. And right now the investigation is continuing. The student has been taken away to the police station where his statement is being recorded. The body of Mr. Sanaullah has also been shifted for autopsy because this is a criminal case, and evidence is being collected. But right now it is quite hazy exactly why the incident occurred. Also, another question that comes forward is, of course, the university authorities not being able to check the student, and he was able to smuggle in a weapon inside the university campus. So these are all questions that need to be answered, and right now it's just a preliminary investigation. In fact, the rescue forces, Rescue 1122, only about an hour ago removed the body of the vice principal from this location, and the police is even right now busy collecting evidence from the area. Yes, Mavish?
Ali, were there any indications that the student may resort to such an act? Were there any indications that his mental state was unstable? Had he made any prior threats to the administration?
Well, we've been talking to people from within the administration of the Rifa University, and from especially the HR department. We're getting information that the student was actually depressed, and he had attempted previously suicide attempts. He attempted previously suicide, and so the mental state of the student was in question, most definitely. And in fact, the student had been expelled from the university. He was not studying at the university for a short time, and then after his parents approached the authorities, was he again allowed to continue his education here. And again, it is an unfortunate incident, a weapon being smuggled into the university, and the student actually, Khurram Shehzad, actually fired 4 shots and not 1. While he killed the vice principal with 1 shot, he also fired at 2 other teachers and also security guards within the university. And it was only after the security guards and the different students of the university overpowered him and detained him were things finally brought under control.
Thanks very much for that.